Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to customize touch keyboard in Windows 11. So firstly go to the Settings app and in the left pane go to the Personalization menu. Here click on Text Input and you will see settings for your touch keyboard and you will see preview of your touch keyboard. I will open touch keyboard to see all the changes in real life. So here in Theme you can change appearance of your keyboard, and as you can see we'll have different color, and here you can also create your own custom theme. In second menu touch keyboard you can change size of your keyboard, but you have to change theme to see the real size because it's a bit buggy here, as you can see, and it is the real size of your keyboard. You can change text size and you can open your keyboard if you haven't do that. And also there are additional settings for your touch keyboard. Here in typing settings you'll see touch keyboard, play key sounds as I type, and etc. etc. Also here in the opened touch keyboard you will see settings icon. Click on it and here you can also adjust layout of it. Make it small or split or as you prefer. And by clicking size and theme it will provide you to our personalization menu with touch keyboard. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and the most important thing, have a great day.